Hey guys, what's going on? It's your favorite scientist, Bruce Banner here. Today I'm going to have a look at some Kinder Surprise eggs. In this one, you can get either a motor car or a motorcycle. And in these girly ones, you can get either a little doggy or a girl. I just hope that there's no fiddly little stickers in here, because those stickers, they really get me quite angry. They really get me quite angry. Oh, surprise egg! Oh man, I'm sorry about that, kids. Oh dear. Well, what's in this one? Oh, it's a little car. Cool. Just put the car together. Oh. Hey, I'm really sorry about that, guys. I really, just get angry. It's a car! Awesome. Look at that little car. What's in this one? Oh. Is that a rabbit? Oh, it's a little rabbit. I don't know what it does. Let's have a look at these. Yeah, anyway, it's a thing. I'm gonna get angry. Oh, awesome. Motorcycle. Whoa. Cool. That's a cool little motorcycle. Anyway, I'm gonna go now, guys, because I'm really quite tired. Sorry again. We'll try this again one day, and hopefully I won't get quite so angry. Yeah, so hit subscribe, yeah? See you later, bye.